additional enhancements on the system side. The first one is GDI plot enhancement. They've improved compatibility with Windows system printers, handling custom configuration settings more effectively. This enhancement is enabled by default. Plot using a preferred Windows system printer as usual. The printer's custom settings will be used during printing and saved to a PC3 file. GPU text, so the selection effect of GPU text has been enhanced to improve display quality. So a new option in the graphics performance dialog box provides better control over the display of TrueType fonts while using GPU acceleration. The GPU text processing has been optimized for Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and left to right or right to left languages like Arabic and Hebrew. And note, the GPU's text optimization for TrueType fonts is available only in DirectX 12 Advanced mode. Use the graphics config command to verify your device. And what I mean by that is when we go into our options, and we go under System, and we look at our graphics performance, our Advanced mode, this is that accelerated font display. This is the GPU acceleration for TrueType fonts. I am running DirectX 12. If for some reason we have to go back to DirectX 11, this is no longer visible, as it's hidden and it's turned off. Some more system enhancements. So they've made some additional changes to the fast shaded mode system variable. They've added 2 new visual styles with fast shaded mode support, hidden and conceptual. So the fast shaded mode improves navigation performance in large 3D models when using a visual style with fast in the name. Some other performance improvements: raster images now load asynchronously in the background during the opening of a drawing file. Big one right here, Bing maps are no longer available, so all geolocation maps are now Esri maps. That is in the initial release of AutoCAD 2026 and the verticals. If you apply the AutoCAD 2026.0.1 update, it does restore Bing maps to the pull down. The big note here is that Microsoft Bing Maps service is being discontinued by Microsoft in June of 2028. So if you have drawings that you rely on those background images and they are all set to use Bing Maps, you probably need to start converting those over to using Esri, because in June of 28, Bing Maps service will no longer be functioning. This is a Microsoft decision, not an Autodesk decision. So if you do not have the AutoCAD update, if you turn off a Bing Map and go back to turn it on, the Bing Map option has disappeared and you only see Esri. Once you've applied the 2026.0.1, that does come back. For now, there is no guarantee that 27 or 28 or the next version of AutoCAD will have the ability to go back to Bing.